Hello Colorado Realtors, my name is Lance Snow. I'm the owner of Colorado Drone and Media. The real estate industry is changing rapidly, and especially how we connect with our clients. Colorado Drone and Media is the most versatile real estate media company in the state. Our cinematic drone video will raise your client's eyebrows. We also offer aerial photography that will provide potential buyers with that landscape view of their future home. We are Part 107 certified through the FAA and fully insured, so you can be comfortable knowing that our flights will not only exceed industry standards but provide a safe shooting environment. We offer walkthrough video tours that bring the house to life and let clients dream of their new home. And our 360 photo capabilities allow your client to move through one part of the property to the next, and we offer still photography so they can picture their life in their new home. Now, more than ever, you need to connect with your clients where they're at. And you can connect with us where we're at. Call or text us at 970-290-1622 or message us on one of our many social media channels. Colorado Drone and Media, let our versatility work for you, and let's get that house under contract.